Good morning, everyone. We have here 7 growth stages of pitsai. Okay, number 1, we have the seed phase. So, this is the first phase of pitsai. It's the form of seeds. When you see a pitsai seeds, its appearance are color black and very small that you cannot see it when it falls to the ground. So that is the seed phase. The next, yan ang seeds ng pitsay. Then number 2, germinating phase. This is the stage where the seeds are started to germinate. The seeds begins to sprout and produce some small leaves and roots. Yan ang picture ng germinating seeds. Yan, bagong siburo. Then we have number 3, seedling phase. This is the stage where a young plant show. When you see a seedling, it has a small young leaves and it has a few inches height. Then ayan na siya, mga seedling ng pitsay. Pag may 3, 4 o 5 leaves na siya, pwede na siyang i-transplant. Then number 4, harvesting phase. This is the stage where you can now begin to harvest. How to know if you can harvest pitsay? You can harvest when the leaves attain its maturity or when it is 45 days or 70 weeks old. Okay, so yan ang tandaan mo na pwede na siyang i-harvest. Pag mature na ang leaves at 45 to 70 weeks, 45 days or 70 weeks. So those are the different ito na ang harvest time niya na malaki na ang pitsay, mature na siya, pwede na siya i-harvest. Then number 5, old plant phase. Old plant phase. This stage is when the pitsay continues to grow and the leaves started to become dark green. When the plant shows that the leaves and the stalk will become harder. O yan na ang old plant na siya pag harder na ang mga stalks niya. Okay, so yan na ang old na pitsay. Then, the 6th flowering phase. This stage is when the pitsay begins to show some flowers. When the pitsay is older enough, it will begin to show flowers. The flowers will turn to seeds after that phase. So after the flowering phase, we have yan ang flowering phase. Namulaklak na ang mga pitsay. Then we have the 7, the ending phase. Ending phase pagkatapos yung mamulaklak. This stage is when the pitsay begins to dry. This will make the vegetables to turn the leaves to yellow, turn to brown, and it will fall to the ground soon. It will decay and gone after. So yan ang last phase of the growth of pitsay. So yan na siya. Para na siyang malalanta ba. Turn to yellow, turn to brown, then mag-fall na sa ground. Okay, so those are the 7 growth stages of pitsay. Thank you for watching. Follow and share. God bless.